Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Firstly, just go into Tab menu and look for Mini Screen shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. To change placement of it, click on this square icon at the top right or left corner and drag it. In order to resize it, click on the same one, but this time drag those little white dots. If you wish to go back from this mode completely, use this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!